Hi and welcome to my new video. In this video I want to show you how you can connect your website with a CDN network like Cloudflare or all the other CDN networks out there, but I think Cloudflare is the most popular and the most well-known CDN network. So CDN stands for Content Delivery Network. This means, for example, I am building websites, or in this case I have built a website that targets customers and traffic from the United States or from Canada, for example, and I am based, and my website or my hosting company is based in Germany. They have their servers located in Germany, and when somebody, for example, from Canada want to access my website, they have to connect with the German servers, and of course this is not the fastest way to do it. So the best thing is when the server is in the country where your potential customers are, because this means that the connection to your website is much faster and all the good stuff. And yeah, this is what Cloudflare can do for you. Cloudflare can, of course, speed up your website and also enhance the security of your website. So with a service like Cloudflare, you get a firewall, you get DDoS protection, and you get so much more. And yeah, also the good thing about Cloudflare is completely free. Cloudflare offers you free plans, and this is really great. Of course, Cloudflare has plans that are not free, but in my case, I always use the free plans. I have so much or I have many sites connected with Cloudflare, and you can connect as many sites as you want with your account, and you can always choose the free plan. And yeah, let's dive into the video. Now I want to show you how you can connect your website. First of all, if you are new to Cloudflare, then you have to sign up. Then go to cloudflare.com. I also will put the link to Cloudflare in the video box down below under the video, so you can click there. And when you are on the Cloudflare website, you can see here sign up under attack or log in. So, and if you're new to Cloudflare, then of course you have to click on sign up, and then you have to create your account. Like I said, it is completely free. You only have to provide your email and your first name, last name, and so on. But yeah, since I already have an account here, I can simply click on log in, and then I am in my account. And here you can see I have a few websites already connected with my Cloudflare account, but now I want to connect a new website. Then all I have to do is all you have to do, or we have to do, is go to add a new site, and then Cloudflare asks us for the website address. This is the website address I want to connect to, and then I will click on continue. And now Cloudflare checks our website, scans our website, all the settings. Or first of all, we have to choose the plan. So here you can see they have a few different plans. They have a Pro plan, Business plan, and Enterprise plan. Pro plan is $20 per month, but they also have a free plan, and I always go with the free plan because the free plan is more than enough for me. Free plan speeds up my website. It gives me protection. It gives me firewalls, and so on and so forth. Here you can see with the free plan, free and easy to use, unlimited DDoS protection, global CDN. So that means wherever you are in the world, you can choose the location of the specific server where you want the server to locate it. And you will get SSL certificate with Cloudflare, management rule sets, simple bot migration, page rules, and here are the firewall rules. I think they are pretty interesting. So 5 free firewall rules. Firewall rules with Cloudflare are called WAF rules. So you can set up 5 different rules. This is more than enough. So then we simply click on free and then continue, and now Cloudflare is scanning our website, what's going on with our website, where's our website located, or the settings, and then this takes a while. So yeah, it depends on the traffic on Cloudflare. I think we have to wait a few seconds here. Normally, yeah, okay, there it is. Oh, scanning DNS records, and then Cloudflare tells us everything we have to do in order to connect our website. So here you can see now it is ready. So Cloudflare gives us all the information that we need. Here you can see the native IP address of our website. Then here are all the settings. So Cloudflare makes all the settings for us. You can check them here, but if you are relatively new or not experienced with the settings, you can leave it as it is. So Cloudflare makes the right settings. Then the next thing, also you can, if you want to, you can add a record here, or for example, if you have a subdomain, then you have to change the settings here. But in my case, I don't have a subdomain. I can leave it as it is. Then I will click on continue. And now Cloudflare gives us all the information that we need. So here you can see all you have to do is change the name servers of your website. When you go to your hosting provider, and then it depends, always from hosting service to hosting provider, from hosting service to hosting service, where you can change the name server settings. In most cases, it is under is in your cPanel. There you can change the name servers, but like I said, it depends on the service you are using. If you don't know where to change it, you can simply Google where to change it on XYZ hosting company, or simply ask your support. But in most cases, it is in the name, is in the cPanel of your hosting company. So in my case, let me show you real quick. In my case, I am here on a German hosting provider. I can go to all my domain names, and then I will go to on the wrench icon here. There I can change the name server. I can click here, and here you can see these are my standard name servers set, or name servers. I will delete them all. I have 4 different types, and let me go to Cloudflare, back to Cloudflare. Here you can see the name servers you have to fill in. Of course, maybe when you creating, or when you want to connect your website, you have different ones. You can simply click on click to copy, then go back and then paste it in here, and the next click to copy and paste the secondary name server. You don't have to fill out everything. If Cloudflare gives you only 2 name servers and you have more options, then you don't have to, or you don't have to fill in all. You only have to provide them with the 2 new name servers from Cloudflare: Brianna nscloudflare.com and Clayton nscloudflare.com. Perfect. And then I will go to save the name servers, the new name servers, and then I hope, okay, now it has changed. And of course it can take a while. It can take up to 24 hours until the new name servers are published. So here you can read it, up to 24 hours. In most cases, or in my experience, it takes about 1 hour to 2 hours until the new name server settings are published. And then, Cloudflare protects your website and speeds up your website. So, okay, then we have we done this. Then we can click on continue, and now we can make the first or the quick start guide. And this is a really good wizard, setup wizard that guides you through the most important steps. So then we click on get started, and here you can see automatic HTTPS rewrite. So this is enabled. This is good. Save. The next, always use HTTPS secure connection. This is also enabled. This is great because we always want to use a secure HTTPS protocol for our website, and make sure this is on. Then we click on save, And the next thing is, I think, yes, a speed up protocol. So this makes your website, the loading speed, the loading time of your website much faster. This is really great. And yeah, make sure to enable this. And also, it's really important. In my case, I have a WordPress website or whatever website content management system you are running. Make sure that you don't have enabled a different caching plugin on your website, on your WordPress website or whatever. So make sure to disable all caching plugins on your website, because Cloudflare does the caching for you. So when you have another caching plugin on your website enabled, and there is always a conflict. So make sure you don't have any external caching plugin on your website enabled. So yeah, enabled. So disable or deinstall any caching plugin on your website, because you don't need it. So Cloudflare will do everything for you. Then yeah, we click on save, and here you can see summary, everything is on, perfect, finish, okay, great. And here you can see all the infos. Here you have an under attack mode. So if you are, for example, under a DDoS attack, then you can simply toggle this on. Make sure this is in most cases you don't need it. Make sure don't toggle it on, because then if this is on, then all your user are have to click I'm not a robot and I'm a human and all the stuff. Then all your visitors will get challenged with these I'm not a robot stuff. And make sure only use this when you are really under attack. So then you have your API keys and account ID. I hope I will blur this out so you cannot see my API credentials. And then here, advanced settings, you can pause Cloudflare or even remove this. This is great. And then we have a few things we have to check. So under SSL and TSL, when we here we have overview, then we click on overview and make sure you change this from flexible to full, because I always have the problem, or in my case I have the problem when I leave it on flexible, the SSL TSL, then I have a problem. So I always have to make it on full, that my website is fully protected with SSL and TSL. Yeah, if you encounter any problems, then it has, in most cases, have to do with SSL and TSL settings. So make sure you have it on full or full strict. Yeah. This we don't have to activate. No, we don't have to activate. Okay, it is good and it's automatically saved. And the next thing I want to show you is under security and WAF. Here are the firewall rules. And in my case, I don't know your situation. It's already activated. Okay, this is great, because I always get so much spam traffic from 2 different countries. It is first India and Pakistan. I get so much spam emails from SEO companies or web design companies that want to sell me some stuff, and I get so much emailed and so much contact form submissions from these 2 specific countries. And this is where you can add these firewall rules. So let me quick delete this and let me show how you can set up. So I made it a standard that always on my full account are these firewall rules. But let me show you how you can do this. So I will click on create a new rule, and then I will name it block countries. Okay, here already, and here you can see the fields, country, and then equals India, because I get so much spam from these countries. And then I click on end because I want to add a new country. And here you can see you have a few options. You can block IP addresses and all this, and then I will go to Pakistan. So, and okay, it's done. And now if somebody from these 2 specific countries wants to enter my website, they are completely blocked. And also I have to choose the action here, what we should do with these specific countries. Here you can see a block or challenge them or skip, but I want to completely block these, and then we can deploy these specific firewall rule. And now these countries are blocked. Okay, perfect. Yeah, and so I think that's everything. Make sure to check your website if everything is okay. Like I said, when you get an error or when your website is not available after you connect your website, in most of the cases it has to do with the SSL TSL stuff here. So make sure you go under SSL TSL overview and then go to make full or make full strict. And also you can see speed. Here are the speed optimization, but yeah, Cloudflare does everything for you. So Cloudflare is really good in speed optimization. Here you can see all the recommendations are set on and image optimization. You can see image resizing. Okay, this is only for the Pro plan. You have to do it on your website manually. Content optimization. This is Cloudflare fonts. You can play around if you know what you're doing. You can play around with this. Early hints. Yeah, there are so many options. You can see a rocket loader. We can turn this on. So yeah, simply play around. Auto minify. We can minify this. This is really good. I don't know. Come on. CSS and HTML. You can play around and test it and test the speed after you made these changes here. And if somebody is broken on your website after you do this, then simply deactivate it. And yeah, this is really great. Caching, you have caching here. Yeah, so this is everything for the video. So if you have any questions, then let me know in the comments down below, and I will try to answer your questions as soon as I can. And also if you like the video, if you found this video informative, then please press the thumbs up button. And also yeah, I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will publish more and more videos about WordPress, about web design, e-commerce and SEO and all the good stuff. So make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, so then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.